Today, Tio is gonna make chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients are in the description below. What you will need is 200 grams of melted unsalted butter, 160 grams of brown sugar. Look at Tio's face. Look how happy he is. Pour the butter into the sugar. Add 2 grams of salt. And mix it very well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
This is so sticky.
Add 2 eggs.
Because I stir it.
Mix them well and add vanilla essence. Stir it all together really nice. Add 320 grams of flour, 2 grams of baking soda. And mix together until it's a cookie dough. Tio's favourite part, adding the chocolate. Tio loves chocolate. 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of milk chocolate. Now make your cookie dough balls. Then put in the fridge for 10 minutes. Space your cookie dough balls evenly. 12 minutes. At 180 degrees. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Voila! Look at these scrumptious cookies. Our favorite. These cookies are the best thing to dip them in cold milk. Like, comment and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.